Hi, I'm Anaiis Salles, and it's likely, if you're watching this, that we've encountered each other before. If you're new to my information, welcome. I help unicorn women and men aged 22 to 60, heart-centered leaders and innovators like you feel better while doing more with ease. Stop ping-ponging between self-sacrifice, which many leaders fall into this trap, or self-sabotage, which many aspiring leaders and innovators fall into from lack of full confidence in what they're bringing into the world. Let my 9EQ method open your brilliant resilience so that you ace top priority business goals that sustain relationship richness in your unicorn life. I've solved problems such as lack of focus, inability to fully feel one's feelings, and not having confidence in what I call the reality forms, the conscious manifestations. That's a word that's often used. Your co-creations that you're inside of every day. Sometimes they need a little spit and polish. Results, I've been bringing results for decades. I've spoken in environments alongside speakers Deepak Chopra, Dean Ornish, Norman Shealy, and many others whose names you might recognize. I've been at this a long time. I've worked internationally. I've worked in at least 12 to 13 countries as a creative consultant and innovator in the field of holistic medicine, being a bridge between holistic medicine and traditional medical care. I've helped communities around the United States and abroad understand the value of really fully understanding and knowing who you are, what you desire, and how you know what is meant for you to bring into the world through feeling, focus, and form. I solve problems at the root level where they begin, where the seed was first planted. And then, to use a kind of corny metaphor, I work with clients and sometimes people who are with me as students to dig up the weeds, till the soil, add some delicious nutrients that come from your heart energy, and plant a different seed crop, one in which you can harvest through a process of joy, co-creation, and sharing with the world in a way that is super abundant. If you've done any gardening, you know what a super abundant gardening looks like, how generous it is, and how much it yields for you, and more than enough to share. So once again, I'm Anaiis Salles. I'd love to do a call with you to see if my 9EQ method can help you find your path to feeling better and doing more with ease. And with ease means not being kicked in the rear by perfection, or not knowing when you need to pause and rest and reflect. That's another version of focus, and it's deeply embedded in feeling. So I'd love to share with you more about how this works, but this is a method that I've been working on for decades. And you're welcome to join me for a complimentary webinar the third Thursday of every month. And you'll have that information associated here with this video as you're watching now. And then if it feels like you want to do more actual life coaching, unicorn support with me, I'd love to hear from you. But also, if you're in the coaching field and you're willing to co-create with me and let us get to know each other as colleagues, and you're willing to answer a few questions that I have about what it is that I offer, I would deeply appreciate that. And I have some lovely gifts for you if you have the time. Again, Anaiis Salles, and thank you very much for watching this. Have an amazing day.